Hey guys, so I guess I wasn't expecting this dev shop to be so package-oriented. Andrew was talking about his cool packages. Chris was talking about his cool packages. I'm going to talk about packages some more, in particular how everyone should build packages because it's super fun. So I've built recently a lot of packages. They were a lot of fun, like the demo packages for mobile integration, including camera geolocation. An Imager package lets you upload with single function to Imager. And the ones I'm going to talk about today mainly are a package that lets you define templates in Markdown, and a package that lets you use the new Khan Academy LaTeX math parser thingy in your HTML. So you should check this out, Atmosphere. So there's a lot of cool things you can build as packages. You could create a real-time adapter to GitHub or Dropbox that uses Tracker or server-side publish calls to proxy the API to like a cool Meteor format. IBM Watson just released an API that you could integrate. And the great thing about Meteor is when you wrap things like APIs and libraries in like a Meteor package, you can usually give them a much cooler API than they used to before. So for example, if you have a package that used to, or a library that used to do rendering, for example, like this LaTeX thing, you can turn it into a block helper, which is a lot easier to use. If you have something that uses a lot of callbacks, you can implement that with Tracker, or reactive var, or reactive dict, which are like kind of newish things. And in particular, if you have a package that relies on using a lot of like imperative syntax, like in Google Maps, you have to like create a map, then you have to create a map marker, you have to create an info window, you have to like add them all to the map. You could replace that with just like a component that takes the cursor, which lets you create a bunch of markers. Anyway, the coolest thing in my opinion is this new thing, which is going to be newly documented soon, called Register Build Plugin, which lets you tie in Meteor to compile any file type you want, given you have the right compiler, into HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So I've built a Markdown one. You could build one to compile Ruby to JavaScript, to compile text to templates, to compile Excel files to JavaScript, which I actually am almost done with. Compiling PDF files to templates, who knows what's possible. So let me show you Markdown templating. So the main file is here. It's super simple. Basically, I'm trying to show you that it's not too hard to make a package that will make templates out of whatever you want. I have a crazy regular expression that just parses some stuff out of your Markdown, because that's how the Markdown parser actually works, I think. It does like this handle tag function, which I basically stole from the regular Meteor templating function package. And then I did some stuff where I used the showdown converter, and then I use the spacebar compiler to get some code, and then I throw it into JavaScript, and then I'm done, which I think is not too much code for a thing that compiles Markdown and templates. And now we can look at how we're going to use it. I don't know how much time I have. 40 seconds. You can trust me that it works. You should go check it out on the internet. Anyway, so the workflow to make really cool packages is step 1, find the Meteor core package that already does what you want. Step 2, copy it and modify some lines of code. So I changed the Markdown package to make a LaTeX package and the HTML template compiler to compile Markdown. And and the other thing you can do to make your package really awesome is make it have a more Meteor-ish API than the packages you're used to. And if you're really cool, you can add tests, which will let people know that your package works. So yeah, you guys should follow these directions and build lots of awesome packages.